Hello, my friends. I have a stamp set that coordinates with our club set, and you are definitely going to want it. Well, if you need to be reminded, Garden to Stamp is a club set, and of course we have the dies that match for our Die Hard Club members. But wouldn't it be fun if we had a solid and some patterns to go with that? Well, guess what? We do! I try to think of everything, and I just think of what I want, and luckily you guys like it too. So here we have a solid. We have a big dot, we have chevron, and we have small dots, and then we have little pieces to go into the little flowers. And then we have some more words. So we have, I'm so excited, I wet my plants. That's awesome. It's spring, weed it and reap and dig it. So now we have lots more samples. So I have more samples to share with you because that one's awesome. Now, I also am introducing to you today a new background die set. I've fallen in love with background dies, and I actually designed like 5 in 1 week, and I was like, then I made another, then I made another, and then I made, well, this is gonna be my favorite one. I know I say that a lot, but this really is my favorite one, because let me share it with you. Here is a sample. This is from our new design team member, Sandra, but look at that, okay? I don't think there's words for how beautiful that is. Am I right? Now, what it looks like, and I know it doesn't look like much in the packaging. Of course, it layers on an A2 size card. It has tons of blade. You were going to run this through at least twice on your machine. All of those flowers punch out. Okay, when you punch out all those flowers, the colors you do not use, you keep in the envelope that you keep this die in. Okay, don't throw it in your scrap pile. Keep it in the envelope that you store the die in, so you'll always have those handy. Now, of course, you're going to use your adhesive sheets on the back of these, right? Because all those flowers, you don't want to peel those. You don't want to have to try to add adhesive tape runner to those. So use your adhesive sheets on those. Now, let me show my samples to you because you're going to kind of fall over. So here you go. Here they are with just the flowers added. Here's one with a cute little bear, Pudgy, which is so cute. And I really want you to see the difference, the same background die in all these different colors. Look, oh, here, you got to look at the black one too. That's the same background die each time. It looks totally different. When I saw these samples from my design team, I went, they took it to the next level because they took a die that I created and they made it look different every single time. I want you to go to the gallery too and see how different all of these samples are because you're really going to be amazed. Here's one where you're just showing half of it. Here's one with a cute little koala Pudgy with the flowers popped up a little bit more with pearls. Here's one horizontally with a big circle on the top. Here's one with for my beautiful friend using beautiful, statement word. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, look at this one. Totally different with red and white. It's amazing how different it can be each time you do it. So I want you to really push yourselves and see how different you can make those flowers. Now we're moving on now. Oh, here's another one. Look how pretty that is. Now this one has the flowers turned a little bit so you see the flower behind it. Now we have some of the garden ones. So here it's spring. I'm so excited. I wet my plants. The Steffi doll fits perfect with this watering can. Did you notice that? Look at those patterns. Look at those patterns on those watering cans. Isn't that awesome? Hip, hip, hooray. Here's one. It says dig it. I love it. I love it. Here's one. Thanks. So pretty. Oh, look at how pretty that one is with that little tiny pattern on the inside. Now here's the same pattern, but using pink paper instead of white paper. Again, notice the difference. See, just by changing your paper color, it changes the look completely, which I really love. Here's one, it's spring with those cute little flowers. And look at how cute that is, that watering can. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on these. Go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com, but you definitely want to check out this one because you know what? I'm telling you, it is my absolute favorite background die. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.